Hello, Auto Insider community. Today we're diving into the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome, a vehicle that seamlessly blends luxury, innovation, and performance for the ultimate travel experience. At first glance, the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome captivates with its sleek and modern design. The aerodynamic contours not only enhance its visual appeal, but also improve fuel efficiency. High-quality materials and meticulous craftsmanship are evident throughout, reflecting Mercedes-Benz commitment to excellence. Step inside, and you're greeted by an opulent interior that rivals high-end apartments. The spacious cabin features ultra-leather rear seating surfaces, providing both comfort and durability. A memory foam power sofa bed ensures restful sleep, while Swiss chrono hardwood cabinets with radius doors add a touch of elegance. Soft-touch walls, LED ambient lighting, and vinyl woven flooring with a composite honeycomb subfloor further enhance the luxurious ambient. The motorhome is equipped with cutting-edge technology to make your journey as enjoyable as possible. A 24-inch LED TV paired with Apple TV offers entertainment on the go, complemented by a premium sound system. The galley boasts a solid-surface countertop with a farmhouse-style sink, a combo microwave, convection, air fryer, A2-burner induction cooktop, and a refrigerator and freezer combo, ensuring you have all the amenities to prepare gourmet meals. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter AWT 3500 XD chassis, the 2026 model offers exceptional performance and handling. The all-wheel drive system provides stability and control across various terrains, making it ideal for both city driving and off-the-grid adventures. Air suspension comes standard, delivering a smooth and comfortable ride by automatically adjusting to road conditions. One of the standout features is the advanced lithium-ion battery energy storage system. This system replaces the traditional propane generator, offering a clean and quiet power source capable of running the entire motorhome, including the air conditioning, for up to 12 hours on battery power alone. With a 3,000-watt inverter and up to 300 watts of solar panels, you can enjoy extended off-grid experiences without compromising on comfort. Safety is paramount in the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome. The vehicle includes a multiplex wiring system with Firefly integrations control, allowing you to monitor and control various systems effortlessly. USB Type-C and 110V charging ports are strategically placed for convenience, and features like smoke/CO2 alarms provide peace of mind during your travels. While the exact pricing for the 2026 model hasn't been officially released, it's anticipated to start around $150,000, depending on customization and optional features. This investment offers a harmonious blend of luxury, technology, and performance, setting a new standard in the motorhome industry. In conclusion, the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is a testament to what happens when luxury meets innovation. It's designed for those who seek adventure without compromising on comfort or style. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome. Stay tuned to Auto Insider for more in-depth reviews and the latest in automotive news.